Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Every army of every country would like to induct the most powerful main battle tanks from other countries if they are unable to manufacture one indigenously. The country which has come in such news recently is Poland. Poland is planning to buy a large number of M1 Abrams tanks from the United States. The exact version of M1 Abrams tanks which Poland would be inducting is said to be M1A2 Abrams SEP V3 tanks. And as per the sources, it looks like they would be buying almost 250 such tanks. Just to give quick information about the Abrams M1A2 SEP V3 tank, Abrams M1A2 SEP V3, where SEP stands for System Enhanced Package, is a modernized configuration of the Abrams main battle tank in service with the United States Army. The new version offers enhanced protection, higher lethality, and survival rate compared to its previous variants. The tank also features various advancements in technology, including improved armor, communications, reliability, sustainment, and fuel efficiency. Currently, Polish land forces operate the Leopard 2 variants and T 72 main battle tanks in their fleet, and the intention to acquire these new sets of Abrams tanks from the United States is to deploy them to the country's eastern area. Once these new sets of tanks arrive in Poland, it would be replacing the aging and outdated Soviet designed T 72 and PT 91 tanks. As per the defense sources, it looks like the M1 Abrams would start arriving in Poland during 2022. If we quickly see the general characteristics of these tanks, the SEP V3 variant of Abrams tank is fitted with 120 mm M256A1 smoothbore. These tanks weigh around 73.6 tons. It can travel at 68 km per hour speed, and the range of these tanks stand around 425 kilometers. So that was a quick update on Poland planning to buy 250 M1A2 Abrams SEP V3 main battle tanks from the United States. I'll upload another video which will provide more details about this tank very soon. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more updates on defense and aviation on 10 Slide Info.